All right, guys, good morning out there and a happy Friday. No, yeah, just started and I'll just wait for some people to join in the free stream and I'll get started with the preparation for today, guys. The pre-market game plan for this Friday. Also, don't forget to check out the free recap that will be posted later on the recap channel. I believe it will be posted around 11 a.m. And of course, again, a good morning to all of you out there. If this is your first time listening or watching to our stream with the scanner, please be advised that this stream is delayed by approximately 1 minute. Of course, you can have access to the live version of the scanner and the live screen share with the live commentary from our other moderator in the private Discord room if you use the link precisiondaytrading.com, which is posted in the description. Again, that's 39 bucks and 99 cents a month to join. Also, if you want to take advantage of a discount to that subscription, then again, go to that website precisiondaytrading.com. Use the discount code new sub, and that will give you a 10% discount. Hey, good morning, Richard. Hey, good morning, Anthony. All right, let's fire up the screen here, and I'll go through the names that I have for today, guys. Yeah, I just pulled up this NAKD, but I don't have that much interest in that one. So the first one I'm looking at today, guys, is SYPR. Again, if you look here at the daily chart, pretty decent rip towards that 789s. You can see this thing can rip, but overall it can't hold its gains after that rip. So yeah, obviously I'm gonna be looking for a potential short on this one. Let's have a look here. Let's see if we. Okay. Also, mind you, the volume that we had here in the past couple of 1 minute candles, so that's pretty interesting. So again, depending on how this one will open, you can see here this pre-market support just above that 350 level. If that one decides to give that washout towards that level and decides to hold, as well as the VWAP here, if this one decides to, come down a bit, and if it can form a long setup, potentially I'll be looking for that long and a break maybe for this $5 breakout on that daily chart as well. But of course, you can see here in the post market at that 451, it definitely found resistance as it was tapping a couple of times on that level. So that's a name to watch. NKLA, I'll be looking for a short on this, something like MVIS did yesterday. See, we hit 1279s yesterday. Again, coming from the lows of the daily chart here. I would say, I hope, I don't know if it can do it, but I would like to see this one pop towards 15, psychological level, and then I will see if it can provide a decent short setup. Yeah, again, very low volume, guys. TYHT I've been looking at it yesterday. I mentioned the 620 area. It dipped under it and then it ripped, but on very, very low volume. Again, not even 10K in volume here, so totally not interested in it unless there is over a mil in volume. Yesterday, I shorted that TDC Airy Pages, and if you want to or at least wait for the recap that will be released at 11 a.m. Then you'll see the executions on that. But again, that provided a very nice, or at least two short opportunities for me yesterday, so I'm pretty happy about that one. Again, you know, it's been very, very slow for me the past couple of weeks. Earlier this week, I had a long trade on MVIS, and yesterday I shorted it. But again, you know, it's just waiting for the opportunity to come. You don't have to necessarily trade every day, guys. You know, you just gotta know your setups. You gotta have a playbook that works. And again, if you have that, you know, it will be a bit easier to bring up the patience to wait for those setups and avoid chop, avoid getting into those random trades. And of course, guys, don't forget to hit the like button on both of the channels, guys, the scanner channel as well as the recap, or at least the screen share here with the charts. RGB or RCB. No, look at this. This is totally. I would not touch this with a 10 feet pole here. RCB. If you guys have any questions, of course, feel free to reach out. You know, we got the stream going on right now, and you can see the charts as well. Not from Stonks, MC Gamer. Not from Stonks. I saw a funny picture yesterday as well on some things that you need to teach your child, and one of them in the list was stocks don't always go up. How did everyone go yesterday, guys? I hope all of you had a good week as well. Classic Bitcoin play. Yeah, let's have a look. Eerie Pages. Again, I think Bitcoin dropped under that 50K that everyone was looking at. Yeah, and you can see here Mara as well. But, you know, we are almost, or at least we broke here in the pre-market, that 30 level here on the daily chart. Let's see here. Yeah, so that daily chart here on Mara definitely looks a bit wonky with this pre-market gap down. Right now we are around that view up here, just above that 29 level. Could be a potential short play for sure. Good find, by the way, Eerie. Then I want to see something. You know, this white line here represents the previous day close, so that would be right now the stock is red, and if this decides to go for that red to green move towards this 31 and rejects, that would be something I would be looking at for a potential short setup. So I'll add Mara as well to my list. Thank you again, Eerie Pages. Someone mentioned another ticker. What was it? Oh, American Airlines. I'll have a look, Tom. It's a bit light on volume here in the pre-market, American Airlines. Let's have a look. Yeah, same thing as Mara. You know, it's tapping on that daily chart support, just around that 20 level. You know, psychological level as well. But you know, this one has a bit less range. So yeah, it could fade, but it's not something I would touch. Alrighty, guys. Again, less than 5 minutes left to go here before the opening bell for this Friday. Again, I want to wish everyone, of course, a blessed Friday out there. Again, be safe, be patient, wait for those setups, guys. Again, if you want to join us in the private Discord room with access to the live scanner, the live screen share from our other moderator with his live commentary, he does something like this. I do this. Each Friday. I call it the Free Friday stream. But he does it every day with the charts. You can hear his commentary and his thought process on potential trades that he's going to take. It offers great guidance for the members as well. I'm in there as well, posting my ideas. Again, if you want to have access to that, use the link precisiondaytrading.com, which is posted in the description. Again, if you want to take advantage of the 10% discount, go to precisiondaytrading.com, type in the discount code NEWSUB, and that will give you a 10% discount. And for those who are interested in learning my setups, the ones that I use, that I trade, again, I got a trading guide available. If you want to have access to the trading guide, then just hop in the free public Discord room, say hi star, and I have currently a 20% discount on that. I'll just wait for the chart to load up on Snap. And I'll have a look at it. Oh, they had some earnings post-market. Okay. This chart is actually holding up with this breakout. So I'll add that here to my list, Richard. Good find as well. Again, look at the daily chart here. Just above this, say, 65 level, it could potentially break out. But given this or at least this pre-market movement here, I would not want to chase it to the long side. I would rather maybe even be cautiously short biased on it, given that it finds resistance and then it can form a potential short setup on this snap. So I'll add that here to my list as well. Alrighty, guys, we got less than 2 minutes here. If you guys have any more questions, if you don't have any more questions, I'll cut the stream here, and I got a couple of names here on watch. Let's focus on those. And again, use the link precisiondaytrading.com to join us in the private Discord room. And again, thank you all for joining, of course. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified each time I post a new recap or when I go live. Hey VMOS, no, I haven't OCGN. Yeah, it had a pretty decent move yesterday with the gap up here in the pre-market towards almost 11. Look at the daily chart right now. We are doing quite the fade here. I'll add that to the list as well. Exactly, Christopher. Alright, guys, 20 seconds. Again, good luck. Let's get ready, guys, and let's close out the